Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to save voice message from WhatsApp. Friends, if you receive an important voice message in WhatsApp which you want to save, then you simply need to long press on the voice message. Now after selecting the voice message, you need to press on the three dots. Now here press on share. Now you need to share it on Google Drive. Now click on upload. Now your voice message is saved on your Google Drive. So from there you can very easily download on any device and use it as required.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.